So hello everyone. So in this video we'll be learning about Scrum. Okay, so what is Scrum and why do we need it? Okay, so Scrum generally you will see whenever you work in a project where multiple team members are involved and the project is, let's say, huge, and the all the deployment and all the build cannot happen within a short period. Okay, it has to happen throughout, let's say, a year or so. Then what they do is the big projects are divided into small modules, okay, called sprints. So all the sprints, let's say a sprint is for 2 weeks. Okay, and within that each sprint they have a particular set of tickets or a particular set of tasks which the team will accomplish, and at the end of the every sprint they will review what were done, what could have been done better, and daily they will also have a short team meet to review the action items. So we will look into Scrum. Okay, so most of the teams today follow agile development and they follow the Scrum instructions. Okay, so let's go to the next slide, and here you will see a picture where you have a picture of how the entire Scrum team operates. Okay, so first of all, there is a product backlog. Okay, there is a product backlog which actually has all the deliverables which will be there over a year, okay, or let's say over 2 years. So everything from start to finish, whatever the entire project deliverables are there, that is in product backlog. Okay, now so what happens in sprint planning is the Scrum Master and their team, they will take out a particular set of tickets or tasks from the product backlog and pull it inside the sprint backlog. Okay, so from the product backlog they have a particular set of tasks which they will put in the current sprint. Okay, so now the team will go through the development, testing and deployment. Okay, and in doing so they will have a daily Scrum, which is the daily meeting where the Scrum Master or the team person who is responsible for the Scrum maintenance, okay, maintaining this entire Scrum through, let's say, a Jira Dashboard. I will show that in the next slide. So they will do a meeting, see what's the progress and how things are going. So they will have a daily Scrum meeting. Okay, and then they will have the deliverable. Let's say some sprints are for 2 weeks, others are 3. Okay, so they have that deliverable, a short we cannot keep a client waiting for 2 years to deliver a product. Okay, so the deliverable, we give a small thing to the client every 2 weeks or something to that actually satisfies the client. We can also track the progress, so Scrum is really helpful there. Okay, so after every sprint, there is something is developed, something is built, something is deployed. Okay, and then the team has a meet at the end of every sprint to review the actions. Okay, what went good, and they have this sprint retrospective and sprint review. What went good, what could have been improved, if something went wrong, let's say if something went wrong or they haven't accomplished something within a particular sprint, what they will do is they will again put that in the backlog. Okay, and this is a cycle that goes through. Now mostly companies will be using Jira. Okay, so here I have taken some images from Google to just show you what a Jira dashboard looks like. So this is a Kanban dashboard. Okay, so you have this two to do for the current sprint. They have to do. So what are the things they are going to do in this particular sprint? As the scrum teams have a daily call or a daily scrum, what they do is they let's say some team has started working on a particular task, they will pull it inside the in progress. Okay, well, they now they are working, and let's say in daily scrum some team says that this is done, this is over, we are going further with the other tickets or something, then they pull it inside done. Okay, and then they review the tasks. Okay, now this is another picture from Google itself, so I have taken that just to show you what kind of so in Jira Dashboard you have this these are like this, you manage sprints. Okay, so here is one sprint, you have another sprint over here. Okay, and you can this actually on the right hand side they have opened the ticket, you can, the Scrum Master can see the current status from here. Okay, and there is product backlog also. Okay, and sprint backlog. So what they can do is they can drag and drop. Okay, there is the backlog, and they can let's say you want to pull a particular ticket inside a current sprint. What you do is you can you can just click here, drag it and pull it over here in the sprint you are in the active sprint. Okay, so you pull it over here, you start working, and that's how Scrum team operates. Okay, so this is basic Scrum, how this is being operated, and the person who operates is called the Scrum Master. So we have this product backlog, we have a sprint backlog, the team operates. Okay, now this not just happens for a particular product or a particular thing, it can also happen that a scenario can happen where multiple teams are involved within a scrum, and even the tickets, these tickets could be from different teams, not just one team. Okay, it can be from the Android team, the iOS team, the web team. So there are multiple teams that the Scrum Master might be tracking all at this one single dashboard, and within the call they can have this track of the status of the current ticket they are working on, and that is called daily Scrum. Okay, so this can be for a particular project, but this can be for various projects which are managed by the Scrum Master. Okay, so hope you have found something very informative from this video. So thanks for watching this video.